Hey guys, in today's video we'll be seeing another unboxing. So this is a baby carrier with a hip seat. So this is a dual purpose thing, and I did a lot of research on internet for buying the best carrier and a hip seat for my baby. So this is what I got it. So I'll let you know the reasons why I chose this. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. The brand is Sunwino. So I got it from Alibaba Express because I got it a lot cheaper there. I'll give you the details of the link and everything in the description box, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it has come. It's all in single pack. Let's open it. Okay, there's a manual as well. This is how it's gonna look. So there are a lot of instructions, but I don't think we would need it. So maybe I'll show you a couple of things here. So this is how the seat is going to be, and yeah, this for the 0 to 6 months. That's how the hip belt alone, and 6 to 18 months, that is the second position, and 18 to 36 months, that's the third position, sitting alone period. So let's see how is it going to look. Let's go to that later. So yeah. Okay, it looks like this is the seat. It looks very sturdy.
Very lightweight.
Yeah, it's really lightweight. You know, you don't have any much weight. And look at the padding. This is what is going to carry the baby on your shoulder. Looks pretty good. You know. And look at the quality of the belt. So this is the tightening belt. That's going to go around your waist. So there are a lot of carry cases and places to store your things. Let's see how this is. So this is the front portion. This is a cover for your baby, and there's another pouch here. I just want to show you the Velcro here, the latch here. Looks so sturdy. It looks like a car seat, you know, the car belt seat. So this looks really sturdy. For the price that I paid, I got this one for $40 on Amazon, Alibaba Express, but on Amazon this is almost $80. It's half the price I got it in Alibaba. And you know, I chose the delivery in Alibaba from United States. Luckily I had this color in United States itself. If it has to come from China, it will easily take a month or a month and a half. Since I had the stock in United States, I got it within a week. Probably
2 days.
Oh really? 2 days. It's just 2 days I got this. Can you imagine? I got it in Alibaba Express in just 2 days. Sorry, in AliExpress. So it's not Alibaba Express, it's AliExpress. So yeah, look at the quality. I'm really impressed with the quality. That's the reason it is so high priced on Amazon. It is almost $80, but the same company has their stock here in AliExpress. The same, everything is the same. So it's just the price that's difference. So I got it in just 2 days. Across, put the Velcro nice and tight, and put the latch here, and you can pull it to fit your waist. And then this is the front fit here. Take it up, cross it, you know, take this side. There is a latch here. you need to put it in and tight. The same way, the other thing, take it here, put it in and tight. That's it, you're done. So this is how it looks once you completely wear it. And if you see, there is a provision which is coming here, which gives you a good grip and confidence while carrying the baby. You will not have the fear that this is going to fall off. It's like a backpack. It comes as an X rather than you wear like a backpack. It's better, you know, it gives you a better grip again, and you have the control in the front rather you having control at the back. It is having a mesh here for better ventilation for the baby, and the baby can comfortably sit here. You can see the cushioning effect here, and a lot of cushion once you carry this. And if you see the features, look at this. This is a very sturdy feature. So once you lock it here, it's locked. The baby cannot take it off. So you have to press it this way to take it off. So that's another safety feature here. And everything is dismantleable. You can remove this, you can take it off and remove this. There's a zipper here. And if you can see here, there are a lot of pouches here. So this is one pouch you can use for any baby diapers or anything. And there's another one here. You can make it open and for the baby to have some ventilation. The next thing is we have another pouch here, and there's another pouch here, and there's one thing with for a bottle, either your water bottle or the baby's bottle. So you can remove this and make it expandable for a bigger bottle. There's another extra fitting here. So let's see what is this for. So these things, so this is the thing. This is the thing. So this can be put on here so that it will not hurt the baby. So I somehow feel this is a really good deal for $40. So in case if you like it, you can go ahead and buy this. So hope this review was really useful for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is the brand Sunvino. Hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please subscribe for the channel for more such baby reviews. Like the video, share it with your friends, share it with the future moms to be. Thank you. Thanks for enjoying the video. Thank you.